Hello, I'm Peter Aziz, a shaman and healer with over 40 years' experience. I'm here to talk about some solutions to a growing concern, and that's of the breaking down immune system and the spreading of infectious diseases. There's been a lot of concern lately from COVID to new infections such as the MRSA, flesh-eating bacteria, various inflammations, more AIDS, and also causes people have fear of upcoming biological weapons and wondering how they can cope with this with their weakened immune systems. So I'm going to be giving some solutions. Now, first of all, in natural healing, we deal with the immune system that is controlled and governed by the thymus gland. So we're going to look at this. The word thymus gland actually comes from the Greek word thymos, which is the word for life force, same as prana or chi in other languages. It was found that it responds very quickly to emotional states. Basically, what holds it together and keeps it working is our will to live. When you have a good will to live, you can stay healthy. When you don't have much will to live, it almost gives up and doesn't bother. So let's look at how this relates to infectious diseases. Now, first of all, to understand the relation to bacteria, we have a symbiotic relationship. All life has always been symbiotic. Plants and animals are symbiotic. We give them carbon dioxide to give us oxygen. We give them fertilizer, they give us food, give us medicine. Bacteria are part of the symbiosis as well. They're important for the plant to receive nutrients from the soil, important for our digestion and various bodily processes. We cannot live without bacteria. But of course, they're also part of the process by which we decay and release our nutrients back to nature. So the immune system isn't so much about killing bacteria, it's about maintaining a healthy symbiosis in which those bacteria are supporting and helping our health. So what happens then when we have this strong will to live? Those bacteria are supporting us. Once we begin to die, those bacteria change state and begin to decay us. So the important thing in building the immune system then is to understand how to rebuild our will to live. This gets broken down gradually by disappointments, excessive control, stifling of expression, hopelessness, and shame. On my upcoming free webinar on ultimate healing, I'm going to be discussing in greater detail how we do this, how we're going to rebuild the immune system and release these emotional states. Also, I'm going to give you some free gifts. First of all, there's the free course, Take Back Your Power. That's going to guide you to take back all the lost power, which is your first step in releasing that will to live. And also, I'm going to give a free healing, a whole new system I've never been given out before. This is a healing done distantly for everybody participating in this course that'll actually restore the harmony of your body with the bacteria to create this harmonious symbiotic relationship. This is based on understanding of how the black goo works, something you may have heard of. When it's not weaponized, it can be very useful when you understand its true function. I'll be talking more about this on the upcoming webinar. So if you have any concerns at all about infectious disease, then sign up now. This will be the first step to safeguarding your health. I look forward to guiding you more.